It is said that as long as you find a piece of plastic tube, cut it along the center of the tool, and then use the principle of wind gun heating to turn it into a complete plastic board. Then take a bottle of black spray paint to color the surface of the plastic board. After the operation is completed, at this time, use scissors to slowly cut the tin foil into stripes of about 2 centimeters. After cutting 5, 6, 7, 8 sections, we can use glue to fix it on the black plastic. After cleaning the surface, we need to use a tool to cut out the grooves every 2 centimeters. So did you guess what the man made here? After cutting, we need to find a roll of copper wire and wrap it around the plastic groove to cover the surface. Just a blink of an eye and it's done. After cutting of the excess copper wire, it is also necessary to use an electric glue tape to stick the plastic board around to prevent the copper wire from loosening. However, the next step is the most important. This is what it looks like when it's done. At this time, the device is fixed on the wooden board and the installed on the back of plastic. At the same time, the copper wire and the input end to the device are soldered and the output end of the device is connected. After that, surface is protected with a transparent plate and the bottom is secured with a bracket. Now you can see what man are making. Yes, this is a part generator made of plastic. It is very easy to use, and it will power itself. The electricity generated can not only easily drive the fan, but also light up the light bulb. With such a set of devices, there is free electricity for the whole summer. Is it very good? I have to admit that men are really good at this technology. So here's the question. What do you think of this creative production? If you give a full source of 10, how many points can you give?